On the 28th of April 2003, an unknown call came to the Sawar police station. The caller said that a severed head was lying on the dry ground near the banks of the Banas River. The call was cut off before asking the name. The police reached the spot. The river was completely dry. A burnt, severed head was found near pillar number 11. The head was badly burnt to hide the identity. Villagers reached the spot. A jute sack and a blood-stained plastic bag were found, but the torso was missing. The biggest question was, where is the body? About 2 kilometers away. Blood-stained shirts, pillow covers, and plastic covers were found. The police suspected that the murder was very premeditated. Information was received that a bundle was floating in a well. Upon removing the bundle, a burnt, cut, naked body was found, but there was no head. The stench was so strong that people started vomiting. The post-mortem revealed that the head and torso were one. He was of the same person. Due to lack of identification, the police performed the last rites of the body. The news was published in the newspaper that there was a steel wire under the left eye of the burnt head. This was the only big clue. Marble merchant of Kishangar, Bhawani Shankar Sharma, was missing for many days. His wife Nidhi Sharma was handling the office. The 25th of April, 2003, Bhawani last spoke to his parents. After this, he suddenly disappeared. On the 4th of May, 2003, Bhawani's father became suspicious after reading the newspaper. The steel wire was exactly like that of his son. The doctor confirmed that such surgery had been performed on only 3 people in Rajasthan. Except for Bhawani, everyone else was alive. Now the police's suspicion went directly to Bhawani's wife, Nidhi Sharma, but there was no solid evidence. Nidhi's brother was taken into custody. Pressure increased, and the situation began to change. Nidhi broke down and confessed that she, along with driver Ashok, had murdered her husband. On the night of April 26, Bhawani was given sleeping pills. He was brutally murdered with an axe and a knife. The body was burned, the head was separated, the torso in the well, and the head and clothes scattered in different places. Bhawani's diary was found, in which she had written about the mental and physical abuse inflicted by her wife. Nidhi Sharma and Ashok were sentenced to life imprisonment. The custody of the children was given to the grandparents. After 21 years, in 2024, Nidhi came out of jail and is now fighting a case with her children for the same property.